Huh? Oh shit. That was louder than I expected. I can't hear him speaking right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me speaking. That's very loud. Oh, vans and I. Crazy. I hope they left the zoom option.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Hello, what's up people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day as always. It's your boy Ricky Satish, aka the RC boy, back again with a new video for you all. I know it's been quite a long time since I vlogged, so yeah, here it is. One main reason for not vlogging is my bike wasn't with me for a long time now, since the lockdown. So now I got a call from the showroom telling that my bike is ready. So me and Rajat are going to pick the bike up. This is Tiku's bike, Rajat's bike, 390. So yeah, we are head to the showroom right now to get the bike. We'll get the bike, and by the way, I hope all of you watching the video, you and your families are safe and I hope you all dealt well with the COVID, and I hope all of you are safe. Stay safe guys, COVID is a thing. So yeah, obviously you would have realized by now, so yeah, do please stay safe, and of course get vaccinated as soon as possible, and spread the message to the people who haven't got vaccinated yet to get it done, and everyone stay safe. And we'll continue the video with my bike. Let's just go to the showroom and get my bike as soon as up. I'm just too sick of it. I'm just too sick of not seeing the bike. I just want to see it as up. So let's just go for it. Finally I got my bike and it sounds so clear. Wow, just feels so good, like the engine sounds and all perfect. It feels so good to ride, get her back. While riding I'll see, it'll go up. This mount is one big problem pa.
A few moments later.
ರೋಡ್ ನೋಡು, ರೋಡ್ ನೋಡು.
Damn, it feels so good to ride her again, bro. Wow. And even the suspension, my back suspension was kind of weak, so the riding posture was kind of different because the back suspension. Oh, I had to take this left. 1 second guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, I guess this is the left. I'm just here for a test drive. I haven't taken the delivery yet. I wanted to take a test ride of it. I just love it already, man, love it. Yes, she's finally back in her hands. All payments done. Let's just go. Where is he going? Take a U-turn. Oh. Okay, never mind. Oh, yeah. Finally, I got my baby back. Flinny, I missed you. Whew, this feels so good to ride. Thanks to Mahesh uncle. You guys, if you guys come to the KTM showroom to get your bike serviced, to get your KTM serviced, do contact Mahesh uncle over here. He'll for sure hook you up for some good, very good servicing of your bike. Do contact him and get your bike serviced through him. I'm just loving my bike's experience right now. It is super smooth, and even the sound is a bit filtered. I had some engine sounds lately, not before, lately after the problem started. Since then I had some engine sounds, but then now it sounds very smooth and very clear as shit. Oh, okay. Probably heading to Milano, the very famous Bell Road ice cream parlor. If you guys aren't familiar, you guys should come and try once. Oh, I'm so happy with my bike. I'm actually so excited to see her. My life feels so complete riding her. If that makes sense. Oh, is that you're an ass? Bro. Oh, Guru Akade. Why the hell are they spoiling all the roads like this? This road was so good, now they're into some shit and spoiling it. I don't know what are they up to. Every place in Bangalore has this one problem. Either they don't get the roads fixed, or if there's any road which is fixed, which is nice, it looks good, neat and clean, they'll come and dig it up. Stupid bro, I don't know. Oh, who was that? I don't know. Somebody. Hey, where the hell is Milano? Oh, Milano is next stop now. Jingalala hoo hoo. Milano. Bro, there are no new flavors. ಹೊಸ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು.
ಚೀಸ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್.
I don't remember. Cheese cake, it will be nice, but little bit kahi because raspberry.
Medium, Quello and dark chocolate and Quello and dark chocolate and Quello and snake out.
Medium cup is with 3 scoops, right? Or 2 scoops?
You want, you can take.
Okay, then Quello, Snickers and Nutella. ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು Sneakers and Nutella. Sneakers and Nutella. Nutella, whatever. Yep. Give me my ice cream. Give it. Where are you taking my ice cream? Thank you. Done with the ice cream session. Oh, sorry. I do not know if I want to do the speed test because my engine is at almost full overheat, but then I do want to check the speed of this right now. I do not know. I'll just do this. I'll just go touch 100 and see how it feels. Whoa. Whoa. That was amazing. I guess I hit some 122, but then there was a lot of throttle left for me to rise. I wasn't. Oh my god, that was very good. That felt so good after so long. Oh, this thing gives me life, bro. This is such a baby. She makes me smile every time I ride on her. Every single time. Huh. She feels so much like a new bike right now. This was also gone. I don't know what happened, but I wasn't able to open the petrol tank, and they've replaced that also. By the way, the work's done on this as the camshaft was gone, so they've changed the camshaft, shim, timing chain, timing belt, or anything. Hey, don't disturb, man, monkey. Okay, so they've changed the timing chain, timing belt, camshaft, shim, this petrol tank, refilled coolant, disc pads, disc oil. A lot of work has been done. Almost somewhere around 10-11k of work has been done. Okay, light. Oh, groove. Yeah, so 10-11k of work has been done on my bike, and she feels super good, super clean, super smooth right now. Isn't like before. Before I had a lot of engine noise. I'll just check for the clip if I have the sound of the engine before. Before I gave for the service, and how the engine sounds now. The engine before I gave for the service sounded very bad, and it had that harsh crackling sound. I don't know what that was exactly, but when I took it to the service center, they told me it was camshaft, shim and all that was gone. So yeah, now that they've replaced it, it sounds very beautiful, very smooth, and it also feels like a new bike to me right now. The initial is a bit low, or maybe because they've changed the parts, maybe they've changed the engine parts, so I just wait for some days and not tell them about it. I have this overheating issue after the service. I don't know what's that about. I'll have to contact him and let him know after I reach home. It's just at that point, like, can you see it? I don't know if you guys could see it. Wait, let me just clear out the traffic and show you guys that. Oh, bro, it's not the right time for the indicator, man. Yeah, so I hope you guys can see this part. The heating is almost full, only one bar left, so I don't know what's with that. Hey, work guru side gaya. I don't know what is with that, so I'll just have to get that checked. And rest, my bike is like at A1 condition right now, and I'm super happy with that. And other than that, if you like the video, please drop a like. If you found it informative, please drop a like, and also do drop a comment on whatever you like to see next in my videos. And too much of demands, I know, but please do subscribe, guys. Please do subscribe. I'm almost at 450. I'm almost hitting 500. So yeah, let's see what this video can do, how you guys support. So share it maximum, and please do subscribe. Other than that, it's your boy Ricky Satish, aka the RC boy. This was a video about me getting my Flynn back after some 3-4 months, I guess. So yeah, excuse me, thank you. Yeah, so this was a video about me getting my Flynn baby back. I'm ripping at this point, I don't know why. Okay, I'll slow down. I'm talking too much. Okay, bye. See you guys in the next video. Peace out, boys and girls.
From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game.